What's good, my sisters? We're back again with another video, and today we are doing a room tour, and let's get into it. Okay, so we're currently staying at the Marriott across the street from SeaWorld here in Orlando, Florida. So on the right, we have like our own little kitchenette, so like a little stove top, a sink, a refrigerator, microwave, and then look, a bigger fridge. So it's like a fridge, freezer, microwave, you got the whole setup. And then check it, you have like a mini dining room table, a dresser, a sofa, the TV, a view, and then 2 queen beds. And then look, on the left, the bathroom. Hang on, I don't know where the light switches are yet. Okay, here we go. So on the left is the bathroom. Like, look how cool this is. And then the toilet and shower. See the light switch on again? The toilet and the shower, and it comes with a continental breakfast that's from 6:30 to 9. A full-length mirror, bro. And then look, when you walk in, next to the kitchenette is a closet right here. Look. It has shelves. Look at this, and bins, and then look, I think this is so cool, look. So you can literally hang stuff from the back of the door. I was so overwhelmed with the setup of this room that I failed to mention that I discovered that not only do they have a kitchenette, but it's fully stocked. And there might be some adults out there that are like, well, yeah, it's a kitchenette, there's gonna be stuff. This is the first time I've ever stayed in a room that had a kitchenette. So between the microwave and the stove and the dishwasher, and the full length refrigerator, like, I was so flabbergasted. I did not know what to do with myself. I was so excited to see, like, there be actual dishes and stuff. And I thought this was really cool. I think it was my favorite part. You guys, I lied to you guys. This is not another refrigerator or a mini fridge. It's a dishwasher. I didn't know that until I was, like, actually looking around and stuff. How freaking cool is this? Holy crap. And then our view is just of, like, the backside of, like, the pool. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have ever been to Orlando, Florida, because I've literally never been here and I'm very excited. And be sure to smash that subscribe button down there. We're at it. Doodles!